1983 Chevrolet K10 Silverado here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 454 underneath the hood now, and that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front grille and bumper. Then I'll get into the paint here a little bit. There's a good look at the chrome in the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Now, as far as paint, we got a little patina look going in some certain areas. Looks like it has had some repaint done in a few areas. So it's kind of one of those trucks. You want to drive it the way it is, go right ahead. You want to take this one to the next level. This body style has become extremely popular. Be a clean slate to start with and take it to the next level. Either way, so that choice is up to the next owner. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. So if you're seeing it on YouTube, down in the description, click on the link. You can also call us 507-386-1726. You can see plenty of tread left on the tires. Be able to see that in the still pictures also. And again, we got some patina going on as far as that front fender. Some corrosion down in the lower rockers. Cab corners. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rubber bed mat, bed rails. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Give you a good look at the rear bumper. It does have newer exhaust on it, true dual exhaust, as you can see exiting in the rear. This is coming out of long-term ownership. Previous owner has had this truck for over 30 years, stored indoors. He did mention that the 2 fuel tanks have been replaced also. Take a look down the driver's side of this truck. If you're into these Chevy 4x4s, like I said, become extremely popular in this body style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our website. You can see this door has had some paint work done compared to the front fender. I also want to mention the windows are tinted. The side glass is tinted, kind of that purplish darker tint, like the passenger side glass and that rear glass is. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. We're also going to take this truck for a drive, take it down the road so you can see how it drives out. You can see here power windows, power locks. Take a peek at the seating surface. We have a vinyl cloth combination as far as the bench seat goes, tilt column. Look at the headliner here. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Radio working. Take a look at the top of the dash. Wipers do work. Check this out. Looks like the clock's even working. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure and battery. Fuel gauge being over here on the right. And again, 454 under the hood now. Smooth runner. Door closes nicely. Sounds pretty good. A little rumble coming out of that. Big block underneath the hood. Speaking of which, let me pause this 1 second. I'm gonna get this hood pop, and we'll take a peek at that big block. See how it looks underneath there. Good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So 454, power steering, power brakes, AC. That is definitely a smooth runner. '83 Chevrolet K10 Silverado. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1983 Chevrolet K10 pickup truck. Cloth bench seat in this truck, an automatic on the column. Factory stereo is working. Turn signal also working. Temperature gauge is just coming up, about 1/8 of the way up. The quartz clock to the left of that is ticking. Battery gauge showing over 13 volts, and the oil pressure showing approximately 45 to 50 psi. Fuel gauge is showing half full, and the speedometer is working. Down on the floor we have our 4-wheel drive lever. Blower motor is working on this truck. The wipers also function. Smooth ride on the road. The tires are giving a nice ride. This truck does have a cruise stock mounted to the column. I just pushed the cruise setting and it works. We do have cruise control in this 83 Chevy pickup. So she's ready to go down the road for the long haul. Brakes nice and smooth. Power steering makes it easy to steer. And this truck corners as it should. Feels nice in the corners. Maybe a true survivor based on the looks of this truck. A little imperfections here and there, but she's a trusty Chevrolet. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.